Good morning, dear students. See, on the screen, you have your plant for discussion today. The plant here is Mashaparni, Mashaparni, Mashaparni. Mashaparni, Theramnus labialis, is highly nutrition-rich Ayurvedic medicine used for treating fatigue, muscle wasting, Vata and Pitta imbalance disorders, bleeding disorders, etc. Botanical name is Theramnus labialis and it belongs to family Fabaceae. Regarding habit of Mashaparni, it is a spreading twining herb. Stem is slender, more or less hairy. Leaves are compound, trifoliate. Petiole is 1 to 4 cm long. Stipules are 3 mm long. Ovate, lanceolate. Leaflets are membranous, 4 to 6 cm long and 2 to 2.5 cm wide. Ovate, oblong. Glabrous above and hairy beneath. The inflorescence, few flowered axillary racemes. The flowers are papilionaceous, reddish colored. Fruits are pod, 4 to 5 cm long, 2.5 mm wide. Narrowly linear. Hairy when young. Seed are 8 to 12 in number, oblong, truncate, and slightly rounded at the ends and dark brown in color. The part used of Mashaparni is root and whole plant. Mashaparni indications are Daha, burning sensation as in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes, Jwara or fever, Rakta Pitta, bleeding disorders such as nasal bleeding, heavy periods like menorrhagia, etc. And in Sota, swelling and inflammatory conditions, Mashaparni or Theramnus labialis is being indicated in Ayurveda. Now on the screen, you have a familiar fruit that is called Mayaphala, Mayaphala, Mayaphala. Here, the plant with a young fruit. Mayaphala, that is also having synonym of Majuphala, is an Ayurvedic herb used for the treatment of wounds, control bleeding, piles, oral diseases, diarrhea, dysmenorrhea, and cases of plant poisoning, Sthavara vicious. Its Latin name is Quercus incana and it is having the synonym of Quercus infectoria. It belongs to the family Fabaceae. Regarding habit of the drug, Mayaphala is a small to medium tree growing to a height of 6 to 10 meter and a native of United States of America. The trunk is short and the crooked branches form an open irregular crown. The platy bark is dark brown or black in color. The leaves are generally oval and up to 10 centimeters long and 3.5 centimeter wide. They are glossy green on top and woolly haired underneath. The acorn is up to 1.7 centimeter long and 1.6 centimeter wide, not counting the cap. Now, part used of the drug Mayaphala is gull of the insect. Here on the screen you can see half formed or partially formed gull of the insect over the fruit of Mayaphala. Here on complete formation of gull over the fruit of Mayaphala. Now regarding indication of the drug Mayaphala, we have Chinumku tablet, which is a proprietary Ayurvedic medicine useful for checking profuse bleeding. It is a stimulant to the uterine muscle and is used in prolonged labor due to defective uterine contraction. Vajra Danta Manjan. It is a drug having Mayaphala as an ingredient. By doing gargle of gulls, useful in strengthening the teeth, strengthening of the gum, and also useful in throat and mouth ailments. Mayaphaladi Malahara. It is used in Grahani. It is Vishagna, Mutra Sangrahaniya, Yoni Srava Hara. Vranaropana. These are the conditions where Mayaphala is being indicated in Ayurveda. Now on the screen, a very promising, very faithful herb used for diabetes is Meshasringi. Meshasringi. Mreshasringi or Madhunasini. Madhunasini, which is having synonym of Gurmar, is a herb popularly known for its anti-diabetic action and is mentioned in Ayurvedic treatment for diabetes, renal calculi, cough, snake poison, and jaundice. Its Latin name is Gymnema sylvestri and it belongs to the family Asclepiadaceae. Regarding habit of the drug, Madhunasini is a climber with the stem being weak and covered with small hairs. The leaf is 1 to 1.2 inches long, ovate, elliptical, and having small hairs on both the surfaces. The flowers are pale yellowish green. The flowers are seen in the month of August to September, and the fruits are seen in the month of January to March. The plant is found all over India in temperate climate. Part used of the drug is leaf and root. Now indication of Meshasringi, Madhunasini or Gurmar is Daha. Burning sensation is in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes, Asra, blood disorders such as abscesses, skin disorders, bleeding disorders such as menorrhagia, nasal bleeding, etc. And in Sofa, inflammatory conditions, Trishna, excessive thirst, vomiting, Swasa, asthma and chronic respiratory disorders, Hridroga, cardiac disorders, Visha, toxic conditions and poisoning cases, etc. Kasa, cough and cold, and Kushtha in skin diseases. But there is a special indication of the fruit of Gurmar as Tikta, it is bitter, Dripana, improves digestion strength, Sramshana, it is mild laxative, Hridya, excess cardiac tonic, it is congenial for heart. That's why it has a clear and promoted indication in Charak Samhita as in Kushtha in skin diseases, Meha, diabetes, urinary tract disorders, and creamy worm infestation. Now on the screen you have another plant. It is familiar to all of us. It is Methika. Methika. It is the leaves, a twig of methi or Methika. Fenugreek or methi seeds improve digestion, useful in anorexia and diabetes. Fenugreek leaves are used as vegetable across India. Now its botanical name is Trigonella Phoenum graecum and it belongs to the family Fabaceae. The part used of the drug methi is seeds and whole plant. Trigonella Phoenum graecum is indicated in abdominal colicky pain, that is spasmodic pain in abdomen, aruchi, anorexia, prameha, urinary tract disorders, diabetes, which is type 2, non-insulin dependent diabetes mellitus. It reduces cholesterol and it is useful for obesity. Regarding the habit of the drug, fenugreek herb is an annual plant with leaves consist of 3 small ovate to oblong leaflets. These green leaves are 30 to 60 centimeter tall, contain slender big pods 10 to 15 centimeter long. Each pod of these leaves contain 10 to 20 small brown seeds. Parties of the drug are seeds and whole plant, and indication already I have discussed. Now you have another drug on the screen. It is Mudgaparani, Mudgaparni, Mudgaparani. Here it is a familiar vegetable in beans section. Mudgaparani, Phaseolus trilobus or Vigna trilobata is used in treating oligospermia, gout, gastritis, neuropathy, fever, worm infestation, etc. It improves body weight. Its botanical names are Phaseolus trilobus and synonymously Vigna trilobata. It belongs to family Fabaceae. Now regarding the habit of the drug, it is a trailing, straggling and suberect annual herb. Leaves are trifoliate, petioles 3 to 12 centimeter long, stipules are peltate, ovate, oblong, ciliate. Leaflets palmately trilobed, middle lobe large and broadly spatulate, lateral oblong or more or less spatulate. Flowers are subcapitate, few flowered racemes. Peduncles 10 to 23 centimeter long and yellow. Pod up to 5 centimeter long, slightly curved. 6 to 12 seeds will be there inside each pod. Flowering time in India is October to November. Now regarding parties of Mudgaparni, whole plant is being used, and Mudgaparni has indications in chata, injury or bleeding, shosha, emaciation, grahani, IBS, irritable bowel syndrome, sprue, altering diarrhea and constipation, ursa, hemorrhoids, atisara, diarrhea and dysentery, vatarapta, gout or gouty arthritis, daha, burning sensation as in gastritis, neuropathy, burning sensation in eyes, jwara or fever, creamy, worm infestation, chaya, depletion of body tissues, weight loss, tuberculosis, and it is indicated in menorrhagia as well as other bleeding disorders. Thank you. Thank you so much.